everyone in attendance today. My name is Patrick McCormick, and today's program is regarding the current tariff system that we're looking at being implemented and has certainly been significant in terms of headlines, those sorts of things. What we're doing today is talking about tariffs and talking about how they fit within the international tax scheme. These aren't, to be clear at the outset, tariffs aren't taxes, but what they are is an additional revenue generation mechanism that are pursued by the United States, with the party being pursued being non-resident sellers who are entering into the United States marketplace. This is an area where we're also subject to income tax, and we can look at tariffs and income taxes working a bit in conjunction with one another to provide an additional opportunity for the United States to tax income that it might not otherwise be taxing from these importers of goods. Is brief background on my end before we get started in too much detail with today's program. I'm a partner with Rimon Law. We are in 11 different countries, about 250 or so attorneys in those countries. My exclusive focus is international tax, trust, and estates work. I've been practicing for a little bit over 15 years. I speak regularly here at Lawline and other places as well on assorted international tax issues that are relevant for practitioners in this context. Certainly, I'm always thrilled to assist formally or informally as questions arise and as we have opportunities in these areas that present themselves. So like I mentioned at the outset, when we're talking about non-residents of the United States who are using the U.S. marketplace, there are tax rules that are in place. And the way that we structure today's program is we'll talk a bit at the outset about tariffs as an introductory mechanism for introducing the concept of tariffs and what they're really doing in terms of the multinational marketplace. We'll then talk about we'll do a surveying, let's call it, of the international tax landscape within the United States to look at where these additional revenue generation mechanisms fit within the general United States international tax landscape. So we'll have assorted opportunities, say for questions, those sorts of things. We've structured it so that we'll take the questions at the end of today's program. So certainly as they arise, feel free to share them with us and we'll take them at the end of the program today. So a tariff is a duty imposed by a government on import of goods paid by the importer. What we're basically looking at